What's good, y'all? Happy New Year's. Welcome back to a new video. As you guys can see, this is the new year opening gap. Holy shit, we have a new year opening gap. Anyways, Friday was pretty crazy. I'll show you guys my winning trade. I originally took a trade down here, and then I got stopped out by the goddamn dick of a tip. Sorry, that wasn't funny. My bad. And then I got a quick little re-entry, and then I went break even around here for positive 1250. I don't know. I'll just show you guys the P&L. Anyways, so first trading day 2026, we're up around 1300, and then last month we did pretty good. Took the first L, or the first trade was an L on my 100k qualified if you look top left, so we are trading on a real account. And then we had 2 good days, took a day off. Alright, couldn't really trade on Christmas, and then came back on the 26th, over risked, and then yeah, that sucked. Then came back, got 2 bans on Monday, lost 500 on Tuesday, and then I should have traded Wednesday. It was the last day of 2025. I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna just take the next 2 days off. Wednesday actually played out pretty good, and then I didn't trade on Thursday, and then Friday was a banger day. And tomorrow we are going into the official first week of 2026. Let me stop yapping. Y'all clicked on the video for a reason. Let me just get right into it. There's not really too much to talk about, but like, you gotta really understand what you're doing wrong. So I'm gonna just go over what it was for me. Trading during Asia was a huge no. Like, I'm sure you could have gotten a decent trade. Like, let's just take a look. Like, you have an inverse gap right here. This candle inverses it, and then you have this candle wick comes back up, taps into the inverse gap. This is like really show you guys while we're at it. So we have a bullish for value gap, and for all the newbies, what this should have done is this should have came down, maybe tapped around like right here, and then went back up. But it didn't do that. Instead, you see how this candle body closes outside of this, so it inverses this gap. This next candle open, came up, and then it went down. Like, all right, premise of this is that this could have been an easy short. Could have targeted this liquidity, could have targeted this freaking rejection block. Anyways, that's not what we're here for. Trading during Asia isn't for me. I'm sure you can find 100 million setups, but it's just not smart. And then also London isn't too bad. London starts in an hour and a half. It starts at 3. I think you can get some good trades at 2 a.m. Also, make sure your fucking time down here is set to New York. So pre-market for London starts at 2 a.m., opens up at 3. And I kind of use London session to base my New York session bias, I guess. I don't really trade with bias. Anyway, I trade with the 30-second, 15-second, 1 minute. I never look at the 5-minute chart. Anyways, I'm getting off fucking course here. Getting off track, whatever the hell. Speaking of course, should I sell a course? No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Anyways, let me shut the hell up. Notice what you're doing wrong. For me, it was trading during London, trading during Asia, and also pretty much trading before New York Open. It seems like every time I traded before New York Open, I would always get stopped out due to some bullshit. And it would normally end up going in my favor, but you know, some of the times I would get stopped out before New York Open even opened. I would get stopped out in pre-market, and then I wouldn't be able to participate. Also, with that being said, so know when your main trading hours are. I would just wait for the 9:30 bell to ding, and then start trading. And then also make sure your personal daily loss limit is set to something. I personally trade on a $100,000 account because this is going to sound very fucking obvious. Y'all are going to be like, oh, no shit. But instead of a 50K, why don't you just buy a 100K? Because as you guys can see, it says distance to maximum loss limit. It says 4,500, but when you get the fresh account, it's 4,000. So that's like trading 2 50Ks at once. And y'all are going to be like, oh, that's fucking obvious. But a lot of you guys don't really understand the meaning of that. A lot of you guys be trading with $2,000 maximum loss limit, or whatever the hell, you guys know what I mean, and that'll really fuck up your psychology, bro. So yeah, just trade on the 100K. I mean, if you're gonna blow your account in one day, you don't deserve to be trading. Also, while we're at it, go to here, go to settings, go to risk settings, and then set your personal daily loss limit to like $500. If you're trading on a 100K, or if you're trading on a 50K, I would personally set it to like 250. I don't know why I blanked there, but I mean, I was also risking $500 on my 50Ks, and I ended up passing it. But it's just like, if you think about it, if you lose 4 days in a row risking $500, your fucking account's gone. It's over. Also, I risk 490 because sometimes it's like slippage fucks me. So, you know, like right here, I lost 512, I lost 495, and then I upped it to 740 or something. And then I don't know. So yeah, slippage fucks you. I personally keep it at 490. And then it's also on liquidate and block. If you're on do nothing, bro, you're just going to revenge trade. So premise of this video, really understand where your flaws set, because like if you don't, you're just a bad, undisciplined trader. I've been trading consistently for over a year. Like not by too much, like a year and a couple months. But I've been in the game for like 2-3 years, like on and off 2-3 years. But I've only been taking it seriously for about a year, and I've made so much progress to the point where it's like, there's no fucking way that this isn't my year, quote unquote, my year. I'm definitely going to get payouts. I'm going to get rich. I wouldn't say rich, just like financially stable. I'm 19 years old. Like rich to me is like 10K in my bank account. And I've had that before, but the first time I ever had 10K in my bank account, that shit was gone within 3 months. And then the next like year, or no, not yeah, probably year. The next whole entire year, I was fucking just broke as hell. I'm still in that situation, by the way. I'm still broke as fuck. And then I got a job for a little bit, and I haven't worked a job since July. I've just been doing this shit. I'm in a very fortunate situation. Like, my parents allow me to stay living with them. They still feed me every night. And it's just like, you got to think about it this way, bro. Some kids get kicked out of their house at like 18. I don't know if that's you or not, but, you know, if your parents love you, if you got a roof over your head, bro, you got so much more to be thankful for. And if you're watching this video even still now, obviously you want to learn some stuff. So, you know, keep staying on track. If you don't know what to do, watch ICT 2022 mentorship. Don't get fucking conned by all these people on TikTok. Like, if you're looking to learn how to day trade on TikTok, like, even saying that in itself as a sentence should just be enough. You need to go straight to the source, bro. TJR is not the fucking source, bro. Let me keep it a buck. Actually, matter of fact, I bought his mentorship. Let me just fucking, I don't care. I'm leaking everything. I do not care. Let's go scroll down to TGR trades. Wait, what? What happened? I don't know. Anyways, I was in his fucking Market Maker 4 mentorship, which costed me a lot of money, over $2,000. And, you know, I'm not going to get sued for defamation of character or anything, but it didn't help me out as much as I thought it would. I mean, it got me into the, you know, memo of either I have to fucking make the shit work or give it up. Like, I paid $2,200. Oh, and I just leaked it. But, you know, it got more expensive anyways. It doesn't really fucking matter. This video is going to get like 10 views, like 2 likes. And if it gets more than that, then, you know, TJR is a good trader. But I think it's very well known by everybody. He's a course seller. He sells clothes. I mean, you guys can go on his YouTube channel. He hasn't uploaded a trading video for like 3 weeks. And there's nothing wrong with that. He's not the worst trader. Like, he knows the concepts. He knows the vocabulary. That's for sure. But he makes his money other places. I'll tell you what. Just off like my mentorship class alone, he probably made $1 million dead ass. I mean, you do the math. 500 times 2,000. Fucking simple dimple. But yeah, at this point in the video, I'm just yapping. Anyways, 2026 is gonna be your year, bro. Just sit down, chill out, have good risk settings. Make sure you're working out. If you don't believe in God, or if you don't believe in a God, you definitely should. I don't want to, you know, shun anybody else's religion, but Jesus is the one and only true way. I mean, he gets talked about in other freaking prophecies as well. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but, you know, believe in Jesus, brother. That's all I gotta say. He will take care of the problems that you cannot take care of. Like, a lot of people talk about, oh, I want to end my life. Like, that's a very deep topic. But, bro, you just gotta understand that the higher power will take care of all the issues, bro. Like, I've been in situations where I could have easily, like, spiraled and hated my life and given up on trading and just, but I already know that every time I fail, that it's a fucking learning opportunity. And it's not because, like, a me thing. It's a fucking higher power thing. I don't fucking know. At this point, I'm just yapping. But have Jesus in your life. If you don't believe in Jesus, or if you believe in a different religion, all power to you. But, you know, it'll come around soon enough. Yeah, at this point, I'm just yapping. But like, you guys get the message, bro. This shit isn't easy. Whenever times get hard, just know that trading isn't the only thing in the fucking world, bro. Like, get a hobby. If times are really fucking tough, like even outside of trading, just know that fucking the Lord has you. Shit can get real tough, and I've experienced that firsthand. I've seen people pass. I've had to live through it, and it's not a fun time. But just know that everything is temporary, and this is going to take a weird turn, but so are your accounts. So don't fucking blow them. All right, your accounts are definitely temporary. This shit, I've been trading consistently for over a year. I've passed many accounts. I could pull up 6 certificates out of my ass right now. And just, it's just like, bro, those certificates meant absolutely nothing to me because it's just like I blew the accounts. Simple as that. I'm just completely yapping at this point. I've been recording for 10 minutes. Y'all get the message. To sum it up, lock in. Just lock in, bro. Get disciplined, work out, find God, and just fucking trust yourself, bro. Keep on learning and just believe in yourself. I don't know. I just wanted to make this video because y'all got it. If I can do it, y'all can definitely do it. I'm a pretty smart motherfucker, though. And any of y'all can catch me in like Rocket League or Rainbow Six Siege. Bro, I'll fuck any of you guys up, deadass. That's where I shine, bro. I'm a gamer. Tell me to put... Nah, I'm kidding. Alright, let me shut the fuck up. Okay, I'm done.